Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have over 350 units in stock ready for your immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this vehicle or anything else we have in our lot, visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2020 Ram 1500 EcoDiesel, guys. Extremely hard truck to find on the market right now, and this thing is fully loaded. This is the Longhorn edition, so it's going to have all the bells and whistles that you would want and deserve when driving a truck like this. Starting off in the front, you're going to notice we do have everything's monochromatic when it comes to the front bumper. Everything's painted to match. Front sensors located in the front on that bumper, as you can see there. LED lighting, chrome center grille, 22-inch factory Ram wheels. Longhorn logo running on the side. Probably one of the coolest features. Power running boards, as you can see there, on driver and passenger side. Another really new feature for this Ram 1500 this year is our awesome new tailgate. So what we're going to do here, guys, we're going to show you how it works. So not only can you lay the tailgate flat like you normally could on any other truck on the market, you can also open it up. And the advantage of this is you can walk all the way up into your bed and put something in there. Put it farther in the back if you'd like it. Really cool feature. So you have two ways of opening it. The way we just showed you, or we can always open it the traditional way by simply laying it down. Spray and bed liner, as you can see there, it does have rear lighting in the bed of this vehicle also. This vehicle also has Ram air suspension, which is another really nice feature. Dual exhaust, trailer tow package with the 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup. You also do have your rear sensors located on that back bumper. And like I said, just like the driver's side, guys, we do have the power step-up boards located on the passenger side. With this Longhorn, you're going to get extremely good fuel economy, 30 plus miles to a gallon, and a 4x4 truck, a crew cab truck like this, that is probably one of the most luxury vehicles on the road today. That is amazing. Memory seating for up to 2 people. You also do have power side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Upgraded Longhorn floor mats. Like I said, you do have automatic overhead headlights for your outside. Power and power lumbar, 4-way power lumbar for the driver and passenger seating on this vehicle. As you can see, it is a really nice brown leather, two-tone brown leather seating. These 4 buttons over here on the driver's side, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, operate your instrument cluster right here in the center. And then we also do have hands-free capability located here on the side. Program your phone directly into this vehicle and no longer have to reach for it while driving down the road. Your cruise control is located right here. You can also shift your gear between high and, or you can increase and decrease your gear while driving down the road right here. You can also adjust your radio on the back side of the steering, whether it's your volume or your channel. Everything's push button start on this vehicle. It also does come with automatic start on the key fob, as you can see there. Everything's turnkey on this thing by putting it in reverse. Factory backup camera located in that extremely large 12-inch screen. 4-wheel drive systems, all power. And with this 12-inch screen, guys, it's awesome. So you have AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. As you can see here, it's on the radio. You also do have your controls for your heated and ventilated seats. So you have a high, medium, and low for the front driver and passenger with them settings. And then you also do have a heated steering wheel. This vehicle comes with dual climate controls, so you can set the passenger on a different temperature, as you can see there, to make sure everybody's comfortable in the cab. You also have an option, it's an auto button. By hitting auto, it takes the interior of the cab as far as the temperature goes to your desired temperature and maintains it. Bunch of universal apps that are built in here. Travels Link's probably one of my favorites. It gives you all the current information while traveling down the road, whether it's weather or traffic jams, construction, etc. Factory navigation on this. This is one of the best navigation systems in the auto industry by far. So definitely a really cool feature to have here. You also have an option of doing what we call a split screen. So you can have the radio, for example, up top and your navigation down there below. Universal garage door openers, up to 3, can be programmed right there. And we also have an extremely large sunroof. As you can see there, I'm opening it. And it goes all the way to the back of the back seat. really nice feature to have. We also do have a power sliding rear window, as you can see there, right there on that back window in the center. And it also is a rear defrost on that also, which is another really nice feature to have. Plenty of rear storage area for whether it's hauling stuff in here. You can flip these seats up so you can have plenty of room to haul whatever you need to store. Also do have the upgraded Longhorn floor mat with really nice storage compartments built in there. AC plug in the back seat there. Everything you could want in a truck is in this thing. Guys, this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We are one of the leading Ram dealers in Ohio, and we are one of the only dealers that's going to have a Ram 1500 Longhorn with that EcoDiesel that's going to get 30 miles to a gallon. Heated seats, ventilated seats, power sunroof, power rear window, upgraded rear tailgate, navigation system, 12-inch screen, and much, much more. Like I said, this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you want to see all the still pictures of this, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe, give us a like. That way you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today. And like always, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram when searching for your new vehicle.